So today we are going to understand the concept of algorithms in data structure. An algorithm is a step-by-step procedure which defines a set of instructions to be executed in a certain order to get the desired output. Or in a simple term, you can say that an algorithm is a series of steps or a methodology to solve a problem. From the data structure point of view, following are some important categories of your algorithms. The first category of algorithm we have is a search. In search algorithm, you are going to find an item in your data structure. Then the next one we have is a sort. Algorithm to sort items in a certain order. Then we have insert. You can make a use of this insert algorithm when you want to insert an element into a data structure. Then we have an update in order to update an existing item in a data structure, and the final one we have is a delete in order to delete an existing item from a data structure. So there are certain characteristics of an algorithm. So your algorithm should have these following characteristics. The first characteristic we have is unambiguous. Unambiguous means that your algorithm should be clear and unambiguous. Means each of its steps or phases and their inputs outputs should be clear and must lead to only one meaning. Then the next characteristic we have is an input. An algorithm should have 0 or more well-defined input. अगर आप कुछ input ही नहीं दोगे तो आपकी algorithm मानी नहीं जाएगी. It is not a valid algorithm. Then you should have an output as well. An algorithm should have one or more well-defined outputs and should match the desired output. कि मतलब जो आप achieve करना चाहते हो आपकी algorithm वही आपको output दे रही है. The next point we have is a finiteness. Finiteness actually indicate the algorithm must terminate after a finite number of steps. आप ऐसी एल्गोरिथम नहीं लिखोगे जो चलती रहेगी, मतलब इनफाइनाइट नहीं होनी चाहिए. इट शुड बी ऑफ फाइनाइटनेस. देन द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट वी हैव इज अ feasibility. It should be feasible with the available resources. Then the next point is independent. An algorithm should have step-by-step directions which should be independent of any programming code. So let's understand it with the help of an example how you can write an algorithm. So let's say here I am going to make an example and I am considering an example of this problem. What exactly we need to do is we have to design an algorithm to add two numbers and display the result. So let's say अगर आपको मैंने एक सिंपल सा प्रोग्राम दिया that you have to add two numbers and you have to display the result. इनको algorithm way में आप किस तरीके से लिखोगे? You have to make a use of this step. So your step one will be start. From this point you are going to start your algorithm. In step 2, you are going to declare three integers a, b and c. Or what you can do is you can make a use of this a and b as well. आपको थर्ड वेरिएबल की नीड नहीं होती एडिशन कराने के लिए. So it's upon you. So in step 2, you have declared three integers a, b and c. And in step 3, you have defined values of a and b. या तो यूजर से इनपुट ले सकते हो या खुद भी डिफाइन कर सकते हो. After that, you are going to add the value of a and b. And the next step is you are going to store that output in your variable C. Then finally you are going to print C and you are going to stop. So this is the concept of your algorithm in data structure.